So, the top 13 most supernatural planets in the world. That was my failed attempt. So, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna try again. So, hello everyone. This is the narrow channel of 2024. As shown here. Yeah, not the most exciting YouTube channel name. And the first time I made this was in 2024. In July. So, here's what I did. So, I was just trying to see if I can make my a channel very popular. So I tried borrowing my mother's YouTube channel, and then I made a plethora of videos. About 154 or 155. But most yeah. But I couldn't remember if it was 135 or 134. But most likely 134. And I somehow gained 126 subscribers. Yeah, I barely got that wasn't even, yeah, I couldn't really, until I decided to retire on December 8th. In fact, guess what? You know what happened? I decided to revive it. And look at these new discoveries. There's not now. There's some unknown ones like these, and that, and that, and that. And some other ones. Let's explore. I have one wonderful idea. Let's go on a big world adventure. Starting out with the sun. As you can see, how did that happen? Anyways, if you zoom out, it says about the size as this orb. And now let's go to Mercury. Mercury is rocky. And Mercury is a rocky planet. A Mercurian rocky planet. Orbiting around the Sun every 88 days. However, he has a very slow rotation rate. In fact, it's about 59 days. As you can see here, we got our trusty rocket ship. You know that? And here we go. We'll say about this angle. This ought to do. Almost to Mercury, launching lunar lander. Achoo! Let's explore Earth. Now, anyway, let's go somewhere else. V1400 Centauri B. Gold. As you can see, this is Super Saturn. Now, anyways, the planet J1407b is located 443 light years away from our home. And has planetary rings that are 200, yes, you heard me, 200 times bigger than the rings of Saturn. According to the backstory, scientists don't completely understand of how this strange-ass planet you managed to acquire rings of such an enormous size. The rings of this planet are so large that if Saturn's rings were as large, they would dominate the Earth's sky and appear much larger than a full moon. And now, let's go somewhere else. How about 106906b? Brace your eyes for this. Nope, it's not what I meant. Never mind. Let's go to TRES2b. This planet is pretty remarkable because it is the darkest planet ever discovered. It orbits very close to its parent star. This dimly lit and menacing planet reflects less than 1% of the light that hits its atmosphere. It orbits every 2 days. It is tidally locked. And this has so little light that the atmosphere of Trace 2b reflects less light than coal and black acrylic paint does. And its thick, suffocating atmosphere is very faintly red. causing this anomaly to dimly glow in an evil red color. And now let's go to 55 Cancri A. Go. Oh dear. It's not what I meant. It's clearly not what I meant, you know? Gulp. Please brace your eyes for this. Ah! No. Seriously? Again? Ah! Okay, that's it. Ah. How about GJ504B? Oh wait, no. Perhaps this one? Oh well. Never mind. Ah! Ugh. Okay. So, this is... Boo! No, it's not Boo. It is not Boo. This is Gleesy 436b. It's a ice planet that is about the size of Neptune. While that alone may not be very surprising, but here's what is. It orbits so close to its parent star, the atmosphere, the ice is pretty much on fire all year round. So I bet you're wondering, how the heck could this happen? How could ice of such things burn constantly? So, the reason why the temperature of Gleesy 436b never melts, despite the hellish inferno on its surface, here, let me fix that. Okay, just kidding. Yeah, it's because of gravity. The gravitational pull is so strong from this thing that the ice is constantly prevented from evaporating. leaving this fella developed in icy flames. And if we change it, nothing happens. Now, let's go to Gliese 581c. Okay. Boo! It honestly kind of jump scared me. Anyway, so if we press this button, it changes the looks of this thing. Let me change it a little bit more. That was about right. But, no. This one, no. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this one. So, this is Gliese 581c. It can probably support life, you know that? But don't let my theory fool you. It's this fella right here. Ain't no ordinary planet, you know? And even though it could theoretically support life, it doesn't look like Earth at all. Also, I decided to change it. You know, I don't think I actually like this. Wait, 1 second, please. There we go. Anyways, so this little fella orbits a tiny red dwarf star. So apparently it is tidally locked, as shown here. Look at to where I'm pointing. Listen. Look to where I'm pointing, and then you'll see tidally locked. Yeah, one side is forced to look at the harsh sunlight, while this half is forever shrouded in darkness. The only place where you or anything else could survive on this thing is in the narrow strip of twilight between the two sides. Look to where I'm pointing. Yeah, that's where it can support life. And guess what? In 2008, a message was broadcasted to Gliese 581c in hopes of making contact with life there. The message should reach this planet in 2029. So that was 3. So you just saw 3. I mean, you just saw 4 of those things, but we are talking about the top 13 most supernatural planets in the world. And you don't want to know what kind of planet we're going to see. Number 9. So this one is pretty interesting by itself. Let's go. Oh. Brace your eyes for this. This might get really creepy. Look at this fella. This planet is tidally locked. It is a rocky planet. It is confirmed. The mass class, a super terrain. 6.0604 Earth masses, 1.5244 Earth radius, 25.57489 Earth gravity, discovered in 2009. The discovery method, primary transit. It has an AU distance of 0.0172 AU. It has a year of 20 hours. This planet has even been mistaken for hell. So you definitely wouldn't want to call this planet home. In fact, it will be a real nightmare if you lived on it. Number 8. Hat P7B. Never mind. Anyways, how about this planet? Nope. Okay. So that's how you wanna... So that's how you wanna play, huh? Okay. So, number 9. Nope. So, this is Proxima Centauri b. Now, it's Earth-like, confirmed, warm, terrain, 1.023 Earth radius, and 1.008578 Earth gravity, and 1.0549 Earth masses. While that alone may not be very supernatural, but what is supernatural it's a tidally locked planet with a orbit period of 11.18465 days. With a AU distance of 0.04848. How's that for supernatural? And one more thing. By the way, anyways, let's move on to the next one. This is OGLE 2005 39OLB. Wow, that's a really, really long name. Let's get out of here. Well, I really gotta say, that was such a wild ride. Number 7. HD 1897 33B. Gulp. So it's a giant gas planet, a hot Jupiter, a confirmed planet, a hot planet, a Jovian planet, 1.838 Jupiter masses, 8.138 Jupiter radius, 2.238 692 Earth gravity, 0.1767 482 G/cm3, discovered in 2005. Here's how it was discovered. Radial velocity. And the winds of this thing, it can reach a whopping 5,400 miles an hour, almost Mach 7. Very supernatural for a planet. Okay. Now, number 6. "51 Pegasi B." Okay. How about this? Let's go there. So, this is his dark spot. It's also known as Dimdidium. It's also known as Dimdidium. It's half the mass of Jupiter, but with a larger diameter. 1.9 times the radius of Jupiter. His orbit takes only about 4 days because he's so very close to his star. Possibly the probably the most supernatural planet in this video. And now, let's go to Kepler 16b. This is unofficially known as Tatooine, like in Star Wars. It is circumbinary. That means this planet travels around both stars instead of only one, and when the day is over, you would see 2 sunsets. Number 3. TOI 700D. This maybe? Let's go. This is TOI 700D. This takes 37.42396 days to orbit, and was discovered by the Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite tests. The discovery method was transit. It was discovered in 2020 and has a G/cm3 of 1.11838. It's rocky and Earth-like, confirmed 295K, zone class, warm, terrain, 2.4153 Earth masses, 1.073 times the Earth's radius, and 1.085702 Earth's gravity. It's a little bit bigger than the Earth, and they are very similar, they say. While that may not be very supernatural, but what is a little bit supernatural about this planet right here is that it might have oceans, land, and friends. And this is one of the reasons I think why. Is that if a 0-year-old person was somehow able to fly to this planet at the speed of light, by the time it would get to this planet, he would be 3,000 years old by then. Which is kind of supernatural, but not that supernatural. Number 2. HD 100, 560, and 46B. Let's go, dude. Yeah. So, this planet is huge. The biggest known exoplanet in the world. However, it's not as supernatural. As it will soon be. Let's go back to this. Now let me change this. What? How about something else? That's better. Now listen. It is 6 point. I mean, it's a super puff planet. It's hot and is 6.9 times bigger than Jupiter's radius. It was discovered in 2013 and was discovered by imagining. Yeah. It is also known as a super Jupiter. He orbits his star with a circumstellar disk made up of gases, dust, and debris, apparently. And the material makes the disks that is what forms gas planets, just like this behemoth. But let's go to the most supernatural one on this list. HD 188753. Yep. Now listen. This planet is located in one of the most in one of the most supernatural planets in existence. It is a gas giant, retracted Jovian, and 1.14 Jupiter masses, discovered in 2005, and the discovery method is other. This planet is tidally locked, and let me change it. Nope. Nah. Nope. Good. That's better. Now, anyways, so basically, anyone standing on HD 188753, it's located 150 light years away, would have triple shadows, witnessed almost daily solar eclipses, and would see a sunset no matter what direction they would face on the planet. So that just about wraps up for today's video. So, thank you all so much for watching this brand new video. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe. Comment down below what was your favorite part too. As always, thank you all so much for watching this brand new video. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe. And make sure to keep this channel alive. And if we get 100 views on this channel, I'll make my very first reaction video. Although it might take a while. So, anyways, snipe, snap, out.